Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So here we're going to demonstrate, guys, on the 2017 Honda Civic that we have. Now, you have two fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we will need is located under the hood. For the high beams headlights, you're going to open the hood on your Honda Civic, and right under the hood on the right side, that's your fuse box. Okay, that fuse box, that's the cover. You open the fuse box right here, and you're going to see a fuse layout that looks like that. Now, before we continue, let's explain, guys, why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The high beam headlight, guys. Okay, let's talk about that now and where it's located. You can see you have relays, fuses, but you have those multi-block fuses. Those are multiple fuses in one, guys, and if one of those burns, you have to replace the whole block of fuses. How do you test them? You remove it. You remove that screw, that bolt, and you're going to pull that fuse out. Let me show you, by the way, what these fuses look like. Okay, right there we have them. They're like that. They consist of multiple fuses here. Okay, you can see clearly the fuses here, guys, and each one of those, if it burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. Now, the one that we need for the high beams headlights will be in fuse block number 1, talking about that middle one right here. And if you start from bottom to top, you'll be 1, 2. That second 30 fuse will be the one that you will need to check for the high beams headlights right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.